subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a Mind Body Spirit video. Hello everybody, my name is Suyash. You're watching Mind Body Spirit. Welcome to another episode of the Law of Attraction Success Story series. Watch at least one video of this series every day and you will notice a huge impact in how happy and cheerful you feel, how much faith and belief you have in the law of attraction, and as a result with how much speed and certainty you manifest your intentions with the law of attraction. And to really maximize the benefit that you can receive from this series, down below in the description of this video and also at the end of this video in the end screen, I will leave link to a playlist containing all the videos of this series. So once you are done watching this one, watch a few more videos, a few more similar success story videos to really change the way you think about how the world works, to really change the way you think about the power of your own thoughts, and that will have a huge impact in how fast you are able to manifest all your intentions with the law of attraction. Today's story is extremely inspiring. Do watch this video till the end and let's get started. So today's story has been sent to me has sent it to me on Instagram, and I have named the story No Dream is Too Big. Hi Suyash, I just wanted to share my amazing law of attraction story which became successful because of your videos. I am a die-hard Chelsea fan. Like every fan in this world, I also had a dream of watching Chelsea's game live someday. I work in a software company. I am in front of a computer 9 to 6. And in free time I would listen to your videos. It was the time I had just discovered your channel. I was really hooked on to it. I was just reading the news when I came to know that Chelsea was coming to Singapore on a Champions Tour. The dream of watching Chelsea play could happen. Without thinking twice, I booked the match ticket, which was between Chelsea and Bayern Munich on 25th of July 2017. I did not know how it would happen, as I have never been outside Nepal ever in my life. Somewhere your videos had made my belief so strong regarding law of attraction that I left everything up to the universe and I just did what was required on my part. Now I really love this line, I left everything up to the universe and I just did what was required on my part. And then she continues, I had savings through which I could afford that trip to Singapore. I told my parents, and to my surprise, they were very supportive. I don't know if it was because of my belief that I would watch that game and I visualized it happening, but everything started falling into place. I did not even have a passport till then. I got my passport made and I was traveling alone, so I thought a package would be the safest. I booked a holiday package to Singapore. Everything was just happening. How, why, even I don't know. But it was happening. Now when you know the law of attraction, you sometimes get greedy too. I did not want to settle just there. That Singapore trip was happening, but I wanted more from that trip. As Chelsea had won the Premier League title, the trophy they won was also traveling with them. I imagined myself clicking picture with the Premier League trophy and people liking and commenting on it. Everyone getting jealous and thinking how lucky he is. I imagined David Luiz noticing me and giving me a smile. And guess what? Those things exactly happened. I was in the odd corner of the stadium from where it was impossible to come face to face with the players. But David Luiz was in substitute and he had to do some practice, and he came right in front of where I was to do practice and stretching. I nearly fainted. It was happening. Law of attraction was working for me. I even took a picture with him. He was far, but we were in the same frame and he noticed me, even if it was just for a second, but exactly the way I wanted. The next day, I was back to Nepal. Someone had submitted my picture with the Premier League trophy to a Nepali football site. Next morning, I got so many congratulations texts and calls, and my picture had reached nearly 15,000 likes. I was even called for a TV interview to share my thoughts about being a female football fan. I think you just need to believe on your dreams without questioning them. Thank you so much, Suyash, for helping me do that. Well, you are most welcome. I'm so happy that you could manifest this really big intention of yours. So many congratulations to you. And you know how you did that actually reminds me of a very powerful law of attraction technique, but I'm not going to mention it here. I'll make a video about that very soon. And so if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also do share this video with your friends and family that are also applying the law of attraction. Any comments or feedback, please use the comment section down below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel Mind, Body, Spirit. And after subscribing, also press the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Absolutely a pleasure to talk to you in this video. Catch you very soon in the next one. Bye-bye.